Shifting focus to Jammu and Kashmir, 8 days after the J&K polls threw up a fractured mandate, there is no end to the suspense over the next government formation. Mehbooba Mufti today met Jammu and Kashmir Governor N.N. Vohra for over an hour but offered no concrete plan for the next coalition. While she said that her party had the support of 55 MLAs, it won't cobble up a coalition just for the sake of it. Mehbooba invoked former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's name several times and said that the mandate is a responsibility for Modi. Mehbooba clearly has left the door open for both a tie-up with the Congress as well as the BJP, but clearly there is a visible tilt towards the BJP.
It is not about BJP or NC or Congress. हमारा ये कि जो भी फॉर्मेशन होना चाहिए मैंडेट का, दूसरा रेस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए जो जम्मू कश्मीर के समस्या को लेके जो एक रिकंसिलिएशन का एक पीडीपी का एजेंडा जो पूरे मुल्क का एजेंडा होना चाहिए कि वो किस तरह से पूरा होगा। क्या एनसी कांग्रेस पीडीपी मिलके वो फॉर्मेशन हो सकता है? क्या बीजेपी एनसी वो कर सकते हैं या बीजेपी या हमारी जमात कर सकते हैं? ये डेलिब्रेशन की बात है, मगर बेसिक मुद्दा ये है कि आज का जो मैंडेट है इट्स अ चैलेंज, बट आई आल्सो लुक इट एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी नॉट ओनली फॉर द पीपल ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर बट फॉर द होल कंट्री, फॉर दिस बीजेपी इज रेडी टू क्लाइम डाउन द इशू। जो वाजपेयी जी ने एक पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस इनिशिएट किया था 2003 में, पाकिस्तान के साथ सीज फायर वाजपेयी जी ने किया था। जम्मू कश्मीर में डायलॉग वाजपेयी जी ने शुरू किया था अनकंडीशनल हुर्रियत वालों के साथ, जब एल के अडवाणी जी डिप्टी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे। पाकिस्तान के साथ हमारी बातचीत शुरू हो गई थी और उसके अलावा बहुत ही जेनरस इकोनॉमिक पैकेजेस हमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर से मिले थे उस वक्त वाजपेयी जी ने। तो कहीं ना कहीं यूपीए सरकार ने उस प्रोसेस को थोड़ी देर आगे चला के उसको बंद कर दिया।
I didn't discuss government formation. I didn't discuss any politics. It was a courtesy call for Vohra Saab, whom I know for 3 decades. So therefore, I can assure you these are very difficult times. तो मैंने कोई politics discuss नहीं किया. I had come for a courtesy call. I told you for 4 months I had not met him.
PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has met Governor N.N. Vohra more than 1 hour in this Raj Bhavan, and there are indication the way the Mehbooba Mufti was giving indication that she said that formation of government is not a problem. They had a support of 55 MLAs, but they want a solid government to be formed in the state because of they want a development in Jammu and Kashmir, and the mandate has been given by the people. It's a fractured mandate, and how the way the people participating in the polling that should be respected, and they want they at least she gave the indication that former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayeee wanted to do something in Kashmir Valley, but it was a unfinished work, and they want to at least do the work with this government, and she also requested the UPA and the NDA government have a heart and help the formation of the government. That is the reason she was giving indication towards the Prime Minister and the NDA leadership. Ashwini Kumar for Headlines Today in Jammu.